we need to find the slope of a line that is parallel and perpendicular to the given line that goes through a specific point. And then we're told that we need to find the equation of that line. So our first problem here says we need to find an equation to a line that is parallel to the line y equals 3x minus 5 and goes through the point 3, 1. So the original line that we are given is written in slope-intercept form, where we have y equals mx plus b, which means that we have a slope of 3. M is equal to 3. So the slope of our original line is 3. Now the slope of a parallel line, I remember, is going to be the exact same, which means I know that the slope of a parallel line is also going to be 3. Now up next, I'm being asked, what is the y-intercept of a parallel line? So I know that the y-intercept is my b value. So my original y-intercept was -5, but this time I'm not given a y-intercept for my parallel line, so I need to find that. And I'm going to find that by using my slope-intercept form. So I'm going to use y equals mx plus b, and then I'm going to substitute in a few things that I know. So I've got an ordered pair. I know that my line is going to go through the point 3, 1, which means 3, 1 is a solution to this equation that I'm trying to write. So I can work backwards from that solution by substituting in the ordered pair. My 1 is my y value, so in place of y, I'm going to say 1 equals. My slope, I just identified as 3, so 1 equals 3 times 3. My x value is also 3, plus b. So I have 1 equals 3 times 3 plus b. Now I just need to solve for b. I've got a one variable equation here, so I need to isolate the variable and get it by itself. Let's first simplify. 3 times 3 is 9. We have 9 plus b is equal to 1. Now we're going to isolate b by adding a -9. So we've got -9 plus 1. -9 plus 1 is -8. +9 and -9 are going to cancel out, which means b is equal to -8. So my y-intercept is -8. Now up next, we need to write an equation for our parallel line. We write equations using slope-intercept form, so y equals mx plus b. We just found that y-intercept for specifically this reason. So we can go ahead and write our equation. Y equals, m is our slope. Our slope was 3, so y equals 3x plus b, which is -8. So y equals 3x plus -8, or we could also write this as y equals 3x minus 8.